How's it going? What's up and what's happening there? Blessed, beautiful souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me, Kiara Cass, on the show today. And welcome to the channel. I really appreciate all of you beautiful souls. So make sure to stay right till the very end because I have a very short, simple, cool video for you today. Just around the Bitcoin and the dollar price, and we're just going to do a little bit of a conversation on both of those in the next moment. So in the meantime, let us not waste any time. Let's go and see what's happening in the crypto market cap. Well, first of all, just really beautiful and blessed energy here. So thank you. So 1,158,000,000,000 in the market cap today. We're kind of still sitting around the same trading volume that we've been at. BTC is sub 26k, Ethereum is above 1800 again, BNB is still sitting above 300 at 305, XRP at 46 cents, Cardano 35 cents, Lido 18.12, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 89 cents, Solana 19.28, Tron has, interestingly against Bitcoin, has had quite a bit of a pump. It had like a 22% pump. Polkadot at 524, Litecoin at 86.89, Shiba 850, Avalanche 1409. We're getting closer and closer to my 13 level price that I want to buy at. Uniswap $4.99, Chainlink 631, and Cosmos 1048. So very, very interesting here on there today. Guys, I can't express this, but I mean, if you look at this bubble, it has literally gone from how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So that's had a massive drop down, which is not healthy, but yeah. Okay, Render continues to pump, Carve is pumping, Myoda's pumping, TRX, there you go, TRX against Bitcoin's pumping. So, and there's a lot of red. What do you do in the red? You accumulate. What do you do in the green? You sell. Not everything, but you sell some. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 49. It's down a little bit from yesterday, which is okay. Let's go and have a look at the Dixie chart first, guys. So the Dixie chart, this is on the 1 hour. Look at the channel that it completely respected here this entire time. You see this all the way from down here. It completely respected this channel. Even here, it was bouncing under it and it was hovering to get back in it. Then it was rejected and then it immediately bounced back inside the channel, and now it's back outside the channel. But you can see on the 1 hour we are now very oversold on the RSI, so it's time for us to come back up. I did say to you that this would be my target on the higher daily time frame over here, which you can see has been respecting that channel dramatically. But things can't just pump up like this. When they pump up like this, there's a massive fall after that. Look at this: pump, a little bit of a fall, pump, a little fall. So pump, crazy fall, pump, some pullback. So there will be some pullback, and no doubt about it, guys, it's probably going to be around back to this blue zone here. Okay, so I'm going to say to you in this video that you should be just sitting nice and tight. Wait a little bit with your white powder. Once it pulls back, that will be a nice position for you to once it starts having a sell off from here or here, that will tell you that it's a good place for you to start accumulating risk on assets again. So right now I've been adding to my positions, but I haven't really. I've just been trading a little bit, but you don't want to get crushed by the dollar, and the dollar is seemingly strong over the past couple weeks, so that gives us a strong indication as to where we're heading. So here you go. Here's Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart. Carl from the Moon actually brought this video up. I saw his video this morning, and he basically had drawn out a very simple head and shoulders pattern that was forming the shoulder, head and shoulder pattern that was forming. I think it's a really good description of it. Although everybody sees the charts differently. So I see this now as the line. If we end up breaking this line here, okay, and this box, which it's now kind of sitting on as support, if we break it, then we'll come back down to this bottom candle here at the very least, which will tell us that we actually essentially going to be coming down even further. But so higher and lower, this for me tells me that we're coming to a short little kind of squeeze, not a short squeeze, but a triangle sort of formation, which essentially, if you look at it properly, it's really a bear flag on this time frame, even though right now essentially the target that Carl was referring to would essentially be a breakout to back to this box, interestingly so, to about the 27k level. So that is a decent target in the interim, and that puts us back above this triangle that we closed above. But essentially, yeah, there is a lot of resistance that would give us another lower high, which would then essentially continue the bearish pattern and momentum to the downside, right? Even though on the 8 hour we're trying to say that we're oversold on the RSI, we're trying to push up. There's a lot more indication on the higher time frames, the daily and the weekly, that we are still coming down, and that we must be cautious about trading anything other than what the market is telling us, essentially. So if these candles start to turn red, that's when I'm going to get worried, because we essentially could see a massive cascading fall. Okay, I don't believe that will happen, but anything could happen in this market. You guys know about that. So support 1, support 2 down here. I think for me, I think a lot of people would be loading up at this position right here, which is the upwards support zone plus the horizontal support zone, which would be a very strong target. Now guys, I just want to say, first of all, thank you to all of you beautiful subscribers, every single 595 of you, those who are watching. Let's get this channel past the 600 mark. Let's do it. Let us do it. Where do you think the Bitcoin price is going? Do you think it's going back up to 60k? Do you think it's going to 40k? Do you think it's going to 10k, 3k? What are your thoughts? I want to know with a comment down in the comments below. Please let me know. And of course, if you're watching this video, please hit that thumbs up for me. Guys, I still am in my short, well, yes, I've been in the trade for like a few days, but sorry, I've been in the trade for a few days. So I have been in the trade for a few days. I did say to you guys I got in over here at this position, so essentially I should be underwater, right? Well, that's the beauty about trading and trading in today with these beautiful exchanges, and the way that you can trade is that you can layer your entries into your position. So I bought here, then you can buy here, you can add to the position, and essentially the more low it goes, of course the more money you'll need. And essentially you should do small bits along the way, and your bigger chunk should be at the bottom. Your bigger entry position should be at the bottom, because obviously you're going long, right, if that is the case. But so essentially what I'm trying to show you is that you can continue the momentum down, and essentially we are building our position here, because there's no doubt about it, guys, that for me Bitcoin is definitely stronger than ever before. Even though we're still on a bit of a bearish trajectory, even if we come all the way down here, I will build the position slowly. I'll add some more. If we drop down here, I'll add some more. If we drop there, I'll add some more. And actually, I might even take a sell position down to this level here. It's not my favorite thing to sell, but yeah, I do know how to do it. So yeah, I'll just use a little bit less leverage. And that's the most beautiful thing about this, guys, is that, yeah, I think the shorts will get squeezed if there's too much action on the short side. But yeah, right now we're pretty happy here. Guys, if you want to trade with me, please remember to come hit my Bybit link in my descriptions below. You can see my Bybit link is here. And essentially you'll get yourself a $30,000 deposit if you use my bonus. Yes, Bybit is now KYC, it requires KYC verification, but that is all good, essentially. So you can come over here and you can click any of these links here to get onto an exchange, my merchandise, my community group, my social platforms. There's plenty things that you guys can get in there that are just essentially bonuses and goodies for you. I've done it plenty times, and I hope you guys can do it. Thanks for watching. Blessings to you. Hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be doing some power videos for you. I have found one power altcoin on the Solana network that is going to be absolutely insane, and it recently just had a 560% pump. Do not miss out. Hit that notification bell. See you on the next one. Let's get us to 600 likes, 600 subscribers, guys, and 10 likes on the video. Thank you.